Hey everyone, so here is this cool Hello Piano app where you can basically learn to play piano on your iPhone, which is super amazing. So just tap Get, confirm is your Touch ID, and yeah, the size is 176 megabytes. Uh, so this is one of the easiest way to learn playing keys, and this is your personal piano tutor. You can learn how to play piano well and study theory without difficulties. Um, there are rhythm games, music sheets games, playing technique games, and ear training games. So all this like in gaming mode, which makes learning super easy and and just having fun. There is 3-day free trial. Um, So that's that. And it has 6,000 ratings, so a relatively new app because there are some more popular apps to learn piano, but give it app a go. It's like a new app on the block and just interesting to